What's good, Shade Crew? We back at it again with another Shade.Don video. If you're a return subscriber, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching our videos, including this one. If you're a new viewer and have yet to subscribe, what you want, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click that bell next to it so you get all the notifications when we have our new videos launching. And you get all the tea, all the behind the scenes. You see what we got right here. You see the drip that's in front of the camera right now. You don't want to know when that's going to drop? Go ahead and subscribe to get all notifications. And while you're at it, go ahead and shop our site because we're opening back up on September 18th with our new stuff. And that's on Mary and Her Four Lambs. Anyway, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be pretty much taking product photos and editing them and then showing you a little sneaky peeky of what we have to offer for our new things that we're dropping this Saturday. Well, this Saturday in my time might be past Saturday in your time, depending on when I drop this video. But for right now, it's this Saturday, September 18th. We will be dropping some new heat for our collection. It's going to be dope. It's going to be amazing. So if you want to see more, stick around, watch the rest of this video, because this is not the only drip we have to offer. Please understand me when I say this, please. And again, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell. Be a part of the Shade Crew, because this is what we on right here. You see this? This is the type of stuff that we do here. So without further ado, we're going to be hopping right into the video. You're going to see different products pop onto your screen. I'm going to show you pretty much what I do. I have this whole setup that I did in maybe like 5 seconds. I still don't know how I did this. It actually came out really, really good. You're going to see in the pictures. All it takes is a little bit of creativity, folks. That's all I got to say. That's all I'm going to say to you. But we're going to pretty much take pictures of this. We're going to have other products in the back that we're going to take care of. They're behind this makeshift set that I got going on. But you're going to see the drip. We've been working hard on this. We've been going for a while, but it's for a good reason. And you're going to see why in this video. Just stick around.